We have already learned about arithmetic progression, nth term of arithmetic progression, and also sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. We have learned the formula to find out sum of n terms of arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So in today's video we will do some of the problems based on that. First question is, find the sum of the following arithmetic progression: 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, etc. up to 100 terms. First we will write the formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is 100 because we want to find out sum of first 100 terms. A is 0.6. D is A2 minus A1, that is 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. So D is 1.1. Now we will substitute S100 equal to 100 by 2 into 2 into 0.6 plus 99, 100 minus 1 is 99 into 1.1. So which is equal to 50 into 1.2. 6 2s are 12, 1 decimal point we need to put. 99 into 1.1 is 108.9. So which is equal to 50 into, when you add this we will get 110.1 and multiply with 50, we have our answer 5505. Next one, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, etc. up to 11 terms. So here also we will write the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is, we need to find up to 11 terms. So n is 11, a is 1 by 15, d is a2 minus a1, 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So LCM is 60. We have 5 minus 4, that is 1 by 60. So D is 1 by 60. Now we will substitute here 11 by 2, 2 into 1 by 15 plus S11. So 11 minus 1 is 10 into 1 by 60, which is equal to 11 by 2, 2 by 15 plus 10 by 60. Again LCM is 60. So when you take the LCM as 60, we have 15 4s are 60. So 2 4s are 8. So we have 11 by 2 into 18 by 60. So when you simplify this, we have 33 by 20. Cancel this, 33 by 20. So when you cancel with 6, we have 3 and 10. 11 3s are 33 and 2 10s are 20. Now the third question, minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, etc. minus 230. Here the first term and the last term is given. So we can use this formula, n by 2 into first term plus last term. First term is minus 5. Last term is minus 230, but we have to find out n. So how will you find out n? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Minus 230 equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d. D is a2 minus a1, minus 8 minus 5, minus 5, that is minus 8 plus 5. D is minus 3. So minus 230 plus 5 equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. This is minus 225 divided by minus 3 equal to n minus 1. So minus 225 divided by minus 3 is equal to 75. N minus 1. Therefore, n will be 75 plus 1, 76. We got the value of n. Now we can substitute in the formula. So S76 is equal to 76 by 2. First term plus last term minus 5 plus minus 230, which is equal to 76 by 2 into minus 235, which is equal to 38 into minus 235. So the answer is minus 8930. So next question, how many terms of AP must be taken to give a sum of 636? That means first term plus second term plus third term. We don't know how many terms you should take and you should add so that the answer is 636. So for that, we use the same formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here give a sum. When you see the word sum, you have to use this formula. Otherwise, you can use the nth term formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this Sn will take as 636. First term 9. Common difference is 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. So D is 8. Now we'll substitute. N we need to find out. So 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8. So we can cross multiply this. 636 into 2 equal to n into 18 plus n minus 1 into 8. So which is equal to 636 into 2 equal to 18n plus 8n square minus 8n. We need to open this bracket first. So we'll have 8n minus 8, 18n plus 8n square minus 8n. Now this is in the form of the quadratic equation. So we can solve this. When you multiply this by 2, 12, 7, 1272 equal to 8n square plus 10n. Now we can make it in the form of a quadratic equation. 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 equal to 0. So 2 is a common term. When I take outside 2, I have 5n minus 636 equal to 0. So by splitting the middle term, I can write this 5n. You should find two numbers such that product should be minus 636 into 4 and sum should be 5 plus 5. So you should find two numbers such that product should be 2544 and sum should be plus 5. So when you find out 53 into minus 48, 53 plus minus 48. Now you can split this middle term. 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. We can group this. 53n, this will be the first group. Again 48n plus 636 equal to 0. Now we can take outside the common term. Here n is common. So when I take outside, I have 4n plus 53. Here 12 is common. So again 4n plus 53 equal to 0. So 4n plus 53 is the common term. Again n minus 12 equal to 0. So 4n equal to minus 53. N equal to minus 53 by 4. This is rejected because n cannot be negative. Next we will take n minus 12 equate to 0. N equal to 12. Number of terms cannot be negative, so this will be rejected. This value of n will be rejected. So there are 12 terms, and 12 terms of the AP 9, 17, 25, etc. will make the sum, will give the sum 636. When you add first 12 terms of this AP, you will get the sum 636. So next question, first term of an AP is 5, last term is 45, and sum is 400. We don't know, we need to find number of terms and common difference. So these two things we need to find out. Write SN formula, n by 2 into first term plus last term. Sum is given as 400, n value we don't know. First term is 5 and last term is 45. So we have 400 equal to n by 2 into 50. So 400 equal to 25n, or n equal to 400 divided by 25, which is equal to 80 by 5, and 80 by 5 is 16. So number of terms for this AP is 16, and we need to find common difference also. Common difference, we can use the nth term of AP. So here total 16 terms are there, and they have given the last term as 45. That means A16 is 45, and A's nth formula we have to use A plus n minus 1 into D. A16 means A plus 15D, and A16 we know it is 45. Again the first term they have given as 5. D we need to find out into D. So 45 minus 5 is 40. 40 equal to 15D, or D equal to 40 by 15, which is equal to 8 by 3. So D is 8 by 3 and N is 16. The first and last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. First term is 17, last term is 350. Common difference is 9. We need to find how many terms are there and what is their sum. These two things we need to find. We'll write AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, because first we need to find number of terms. So AN is the last term, that is 350, equal to 17 plus n minus 1 into 9. So 350 minus 17 equal to n minus 1 into 9. That is 333 divided by 9 equal to n minus 1. So 333 divided by 9 is 37 plus 1 is equal to n, or n is equal to 38 terms are there. Now we need to find out sum of this 38 terms. So S38 is equal to 38 by 2. First we can write general formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 38 into first term plus last term, and here last term is 350. 38 by 2 is 19 into 367, so which is equal to 6973. So sum of 38 terms is 6973 and there are 38 terms. So in this video we are mainly using this formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find out sum of n terms of AP. Two formulas are there. The other formula is n by 2 into first term plus last term. So thank you for watching my video.